Women with gray hair need to wear makeup every single day. I say that because women of all ages sometimes feel like they don't want to embrace their gray. It took me a long time to embrace my gray. At age 51 in September of 2019, I finally took the plunge to embrace my gray. So I tend to wear makeup every single day just to enhance my natural beauty. Regardless of your age, the reason why you don't want to embrace your gray is because it will make you look old and it will make you feel old. And I can actually raise my hand to that one, because until September of 2019, I felt the same way. It's all based on society's stigma of when you see someone with gray hair, the first thing you think of is, I wonder what their age is. Wearing makeup every day can also make you feel a little bit more confident and help you embrace your gray, or also help you through the stages of growing out your gray hair. If you just took a few minutes in the morning to add some color to your face, be it your cheeks, your eyes, and maybe even your lips, you would feel better about going gray every single day. So back in September of 2019, I got tired of coloring my hair. So I buzzed it off boy short and didn't realize how much I would love it. My husband had been trying to get me to embrace it for about 5 years prior to that. And after really embracing my gray, I figured out that my makeup even looked better. I could wear any color that I wanted to wear, as opposed to when I was coloring my hair, I felt like I was trying to match my makeup, and I also felt like I didn't want my lip color, my eye color to clash with the brighter colors, and I wasn't really wearing my hair color too bright, but I felt like I was trying to make sure it blended and that it didn't make my skin tone look off shade. I figured out that my makeup with my gray hair looked even better when I was wearing makeup when I was actually coloring my hair. I also figured out that my new hair color, or lack thereof, was my new neutral. And then I discovered that that was the ticket to my face looking even more natural with any color that I wanted to put on my eyes, my cheeks, and or my lips. Well, Sharron, I'm not even leaving the house. I'm just on a Zoom call. Nobody's gonna even see my lip. I'm masked up anyway, Sharron. So why should I have on makeup? And why should I put it on every single day? So comment down below if you feel like you should wear makeup every single day. And why or why not do you not put on any type of makeup during the day? So here's the thing. You may already be feeling old with this new look of yours. You may not have had the time to get that perfect cut to enhance your texture and face shape, and maybe you are even pulling it back into a ponytail. So these are my 3 tips in how you can easily wear makeup every day. Number 1, give your face a glow. Add a light tinted moisturizer or a light powder to your face. This will add some immediate color to your skin. It's just a moisturizer or a light powder, so it's providing your skin with the needed moisturizer and adding color all at the same time. Or if you love to see your skin glow even more, add a light foundation in a powder or cream. Give your cheeks a little boost to make your entire face pop. Number 2, smile with your eyes. Fill in your brows softly with a pencil using light strokes or with a brush and eyebrow powder. Apply eyeliner and a little mascara to make your eyes pop a bit. And if you're feeling extra fab, add a little color to your lid, even using your finger if you are not totally into makeup with all the extra brushes. Number 3, give your lips a boost. You want to look fab on your Zoom calls, not for them, for you. I'm telling you, this gives you a boost of energy and it makes you smile even more, especially when you catch a glimpse of yourself in the mirror. Your significant other will thank you later. If you are anything like me, I'm vain. I'm wearing my lipstick when I'm leaving the house in the morning, driving in the car. I don't care what happens after that. There you have it, my simple tips. Now, let me tell you, I am not huge on makeup. Although I love makeup and I am a hairstylist and I can do makeup, I am not a YouTuber for makeup, okay? So some of the stuff that you saw me do may not fly with you. It may not be something that, you know, you might critique it. You might can give me some constructive criticism. I know what works for me, and I know what can work for those of you out there who do not want to spend 30 minutes to 45 minutes on applying makeup. So those were just some few tips that you can use to wear makeup every single day that doesn't take a very long time. It's simple, it's quick, and it's easy. So let's take a look at these two professional makeup artists as they provide a few tips for us gray hair women who want to wear makeup every day.
So let's talk gray hair and makeup. You know, as a makeup artist, my clients are always asking me what's best for them based on their individual likes and lifestyle. So if you're someone who chooses to go gray with your own natural hair, and you always like lipstick, then the lip could be your focus. But if you always like doing your eyes, then your eyes could be your focus. The benefit of having gray hair, it's your new neutral. So there's less focus placed on the color of your hair and more focus based on the color that's on your face. The only difference you have to really think about is, you know, if you typically had warmer hair before, like a chestnut brown, and now you're more of a neutral shade, your eyeshadows may start to be more neutral in color. That doesn't mean boring. Like, they could be plums, they could be deep burgundies if your skin's deeper. If your skin's lighter, they could be like mauves and mid-tones. You just want to be able to have your makeup be as neutral as your hair, because if your makeup's too warm and your hair is like, you know, white or cooler, it can look like too much contrast. The other great thing is just focus on your lip. There's nothing more beautiful than a pop of color on your lips. Again, with gray hair, it's not about, it has to be a bold lip. It just has to be a visible lip. So if you like more sheer color, pick like a berry stain that's like a sheer color to give it pop. Well, if you like a true red, then just wear a nice red lip that really brings up color. The great thing about gray hair is you're going to be spending less money on hair color, but you can spend more money on your makeup. But that doesn't mean gray hair doesn't need maintenance. So healthy gray hair is also important. It should still be shiny. It should still not be too, I don't do hair, so I'm going to get the words all wrong. You know, the yellow tone when it's not been toned to take out some of the brassiness. So all of it harmonizes together and can just give you a really, really beautiful, fresh, modern look. So something else to think about are your eyebrows, because brows do a few things. They give you, you know, expression, they frame your face. But we have to be honest, if you are going to totally gray hair, you will sometimes see a change in your skin tone visually because you don't have the reflection of your hair color around your face. So what you want to avoid is having your skin look too washed out or losing your features or sallow. So brows are great. I like brows no matter what color your hair is, but to be able to define them so that you really do have definition in your face shape. And you can use anything. You like powders or pencils, gels are on the marketplace now, felt tip things. The brow offering is huge, but to not forget them. And sometimes to do just a beautiful brow with a beautiful lip can be all you need to look polished and finished.
So when it comes to doing your brows with gray hair, you want to keep in mind what kind of gray hair you have. Is your hair salt and pepper? Is it silver gray? Is it white gray? Do you have a combination of tones in your hair? And that'll give you a blueprint as to what kind of tones you need to be choosing for your hair, for your brows. So I like to use the Anastasia brow powder in medium brown. I can actually grab that for you so you can see what it looks like. So this is what I use. And you can see that it has two sides to it. So you can blend the two colors together. You can add more white or, more of the lighter tone or more of the darker tone based on how light or dark your hair color is. If you have more of a salt and pepper, you can get away with a deeper brown, but I would stick to the cool tones. And then you would want to use a clear brow gel, especially if you're just using the medium brown, so that you have a backdrop of that medium brown color on your brows, but then the brow gel will kind of highlight your brow hairs so that they look more three-dimensional and they aren't flat. I love a good three-dimensional eye. If you take a brown tone, a cool or warm brown tone, I love to mix cool and warm brown tones. So if you started with something like this, which is warm but light, it also depends on your skin tone. You could also start with something like this, and even something like this. You could do a wash of color all over, and in kind of like a C shape windshield wiper motion. And then if you go in with something like this, or even a black, and you just pop that right in your outer corner, smudge it into your lash line, you've got a great three-dimensional look that's not flat. So when it comes to lipsticks and gray hair, I would say that you have full range to play. I remember when I colored my hair red, and it was a bright red, and red lipstick was like my favorite to wear, and I wore my brows dark, and I realized when I colored my hair, like, oh shoot, I can't wear my brows the same color. I can't wear my red lipstick. I mean, obviously you can, and you can do whatever you like, whatever makes you happy, but it just didn't look the same. So I think that with gray hair, it's so fun because you get to play with different colors, and if you mix and match your lip liners, I would say even mixing warm toned liners with cool tone lips. It's all about learning what's best for you and what you love. And yeah, I say gray hair, go for it. Try all the bright colors.
So pull yourself together and make yourself feel good every single day, especially if you are growing your gray or you've already gone through the process of transitioning and embracing your gray hair. Makeup every day won't take you that much more extra time. It's just a way that you can embrace yourself with your new look and just enhance your natural beauty. See how much more glamorous you can be. It'll uplift your energy. Just give it a try. You'll start to feel more confident, and you'll start to feel more youthful, and also you'll look hotter when you embrace your gray hair and enhance your natural beauty by adding makeup to your face every day. So here's what I want you to do next. I want you to download my top 10 rules of how you can look good with gray hair. Make sure that you watch this video next. Make sure you apply that makeup every day so that you can go gray, be chic. Until next time, take care and peace.